advancements are being made in artificial image creation to reduce the dependency of copyrighted and otherwise protected works. You need testing for machine learning, and to me, this looks like a big win for generative image testing standards. If you're using an image generation software to train surgeons in VR, you want to ensure that there are a few errors as possible. I'm no Bara dad, nor an expert in ImageNet, but the data shows that working with shaders leads to a 38% improvement against current generative image processing methods. In addition, the process being explored in the article allows for better scalability for neural network generative processes, and it used synthetically produced images. You know, not stealing copyrighted material. I don't want to imply that leading models, including Places 365, are using copyrighted material, but the issue of image generation models using stolen, personal, commercial, or copyrighted works without consent was a hot topic in media around the time that this research took place. So why not use computer-generated images like this instead of stolen real-life photos to train your neural network? Oh, using computer-generated images are less data than using real photos? Oh, these code snippets are easier to modify, and it's fast to execute in OpenGL? Okay, that's a big win for training and testing large machine models. This research unlocks new grounds for scalable testing. Well, thanks for staying till the end. Bye.